Hi friends, this video shows how to delete files from USB flash drive. Here you can see I have connected this multi-port USB hub to this Google TV streamer 4K using this USB Type-C cable. Here you can see the power cable that is connected to PD in port of this USB hub. Here you can see the connected USB flash drive. Then go to TV and ensure that this USB flash drive is mounted properly. Go to all settings, go to system, go to storage. Here you can see SanDisk USB drive under this removable storage. That means this USB flash drive is mounted properly. Then go to apps tab, and here we need to install these two file manager apps, Explore and an Explorer app. These two apps you can install from App Store. This is free. After that we need to go to all settings, go to apps, go to see all apps. From this list, first select an Explorer app, go down, select permissions, then select files. Here we need to allow. Okay, then go back. Then let me go to the second app, Explore. There also we need to do the same thing. Select Explore app, go down, go to permissions, select files, select allow. Done. After that we can go to home screen, go to apps tab, then open one of this app. Both will work. We can open Explore or an Explorer. Let me open an Explorer app. Then here you can see internal storage of this Google TV streamer 4K. Then this connected SanDisk USB drive. Let me select this USB drive. Then locate the file that I need to delete. Let me go to this pictures folder. Here you can see one image. I am going to delete this image. Select this image, then press and hold select or OK button on the remote. Press and hold. Go to top. From top right side, select this delete icon. Then select delete. Done. We can also delete files from internal storage. You can select internal storage, then locate the file, then select it and delete. That also will work. So this way we can delete files from USB flash drive. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.